Hello guys, welcome back to the video of the part 2 of the large intestine. In the previous video we are done with the part 1 and discussed all the key points of the large intestine, and it was the introductory video, and we discussed a lot of concepts in that. While in today's video we are moving to the more details of the components of the large intestine, which we discovered in the last video. It was cecum and colon and the rectum. We will be moving to the details of that today. While in this picture over here, which I have taken out for you guys, shows clear components of the large intestine. First of all, if you're going to zoom over here, there is a lining of there's a lining of small intestine, and from this uh, a sort of tunnel tube is being entered into large intestine. Here the congestion occurs and there would be a valve present on this side, and that is called ileocecal valve, because that is between the ileum and the cecum of the intestines, and then it moves, and uh, here the second part starts from brown color, and till here the brown color means that is the colon part, and the colon is the biggest one because it has got ascending, descending and transverse sections, while in the downward side over here in this section we have got the rectum, which leads to the anus. Okay, so first of all I'll go for the cecum. So cecum is the one which is uh, will take help of this diagram for complete information probably. Yes. So cecum is a part which joins the large intestine at short cecum, uh, lower right side. Okay. This means that uh, it is present on the right side. The cecum is present on the right side. It is open into this direction, on the lower side direction, and it is present just in the side of the abdominal cavity. And we can say that this is a part which is a junction between the small intestine and the large intestine. I'm not writing all the points, you need to write it down. I'm just telling them MCQs and just showcasing that in the diagram. Okay. Uh, in the part of the cecum, what happens actually is in the part of cecum, what is happening actually is there is the water and salt absorption taking place. This is very important. This is very important from CQs. What things are being absorbed over here? Water and salt. Water and salts. Water and salts, right? And uh, it is around, also giving a vestigial organ downside present over here, that is called appendix, and that is around 18 centimeter, and that is a vestigial organ. Remember that we have been discussing what is a vestigial organ in our last video. Do check out the part 1 of the large intestine, and this is the part where appendix arises, so this is important as well. While let's look for more details. The cecum is 6 centimeter long, even you can see that this is maybe the smallest part of the large intestine, and widest the right the diameter would be 7.59, and here as I talked before, the ileocecal valve would be present between the both, and here appendix also arises, which is around 12 to 24 centimeter length, and yes, uh, 12 to 24 means, like, if you talk about the average, so that would be 18, and you can say in some books it is mentioned 12 to 24 centimeter. And if you talk about colon, so that is again a very uh, large organ, and let me see for the picture second one. Okay, colon is given good in this one, or maybe this one. Yes, this one. So colon is again a very important part, and this is the one which is coming after the cecum. Like cecum further, proceeds into it, and in cecum we have got the child which enters from the small intestine. But here the food is going to be converted into another state, and uh, this consists of three regions: the ascending colon, descending colon, and the transverse colon, and sigmoid colon, like 3 to 4 sections. How works is you mentioned sigmoid is also mentioned. So it has got several parts, and we can say that this is the biggest one. And again, a very important point, and this is based on MCQs, right? This is based on MCQs that uh, colon, colon. Cecum was responsible for water and salts, and the colon is responsible for the reabsorption of the water again, because we need to take out water as much as possible. Water and vitamins. Water and vitamins. Right? Vitamins. So this is very important. This is the most important MCQs from these topics. And in colons contains large amount of bacteria, the symbiotic bacteria, which is mutually benefiting the host, and of course self-benefit, and of course this bacteria is helpful for us, and this helpful bacteria present in the colon section. And what happens is that it helps us in digestion as well. And uh, yeah, it is how it controls. Now let's move forward for the rectum section. And probably in this I haven't been given, but here it is. Here you can see that this is the rectum which leads to the anus. Now rectum is around 13 centimeter long, 13 centimeter long, right? And what is it responsible for? That is that it stores feces. Like the feces is found in the colon, and that is being stored for the temporary basis in the rectum. And after time, we need to, take it out, of course. And uh, rectum ends with a dilated portion, the rectal ampulla. Uh, let's move forward. When rectum is filled with the feces, impulse to defecate occurs. Like we get an impulse, we get a signal from mind like this is the time we need to go for washroom, right? And uh, yes, if you talk about anal, so what happens that there are anal canal, or we can say the internal sphincter, um, and external sphincter, two sort of sphincters present in the anus region. The internal sphincter and the external sphincter. One of them is smooth muscles, and one of them is of skeletal muscles. So we'll be discussing the sphincters in more detail probably in the next lecture. But this is how it works. And if you talk about adults, so defecation involves the contraction of muscles of rectum and relaxation of internal anal sphincter. So this point means that there is a system going on, like as I said before, there are two different, sorry, as I said before, there are two different sphincters present. One is internal and one is external. So there are also muscles acting over here on this point. And what is happening actually is that during the time of defecation, uh, relaxation of internal anal sphincter occurs. Now this is very important MCQ. Remember that during defecation, what occurs? Uh, the internal sphincter relaxes, and what happens that the external, the contraction of the external sphincter takes place. So MCQ defecation, internal sphincter relax, and the sphincter relax, and the external sphincter will contract, contract. This is how definition would be taking place, right? And of course, here we again have the mucosal lining in the walls, which will help increase the stickiness. And here you're gonna see this diagram. So colon lining we have been trying to see, and this is kind of a medical procedure which is used for treating some sort of disease in other treatment as well. So I do hope that you got the concept. If you do like the video, meet you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye.